Yo, what is up guys? I am back at it again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to be bringing you the latest Sims FreePlay mod or hack, whatever you guys want to call it. This will allow you to get unlimited money and unlimited LP. This is super fun to play with, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get this on your iOS or Android device. Now before I begin this tutorial, I want you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. Now I'm gonna go to my internet browser, and I've literally been searching all day long how to get this, and I finally found a working method. What you guys want to do is go to your internet browser, and we're gonna search for this website right here. It's gonna be called Inject APK and then .org. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you know exactly how to spell it. So Inject. So that is the website right there. So once you type it in, you just want to go ahead and click search, and it will take you to the official website. Now I've been using this site for a bit. It is 100% legit, and it is still working as of 2026. So what we're going to do, click the search bar, and we're going to go ahead and type in Sims space free. And then you'll go ahead and see the Sims FreePlay ++. This is what we're looking for. So it's going to be like a modded version of the game. It's super fun to play with, and it works for iOS and Android like I said before. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to show you what device you're on. So I'm on an iPhone today, so it should say exactly which device you're on. Go ahead, click the button right there, and it will begin the installation process. Now you guys will notice I am connected to Wi-Fi, so this will download very quickly. If you're not on Wi-Fi, it may take a little bit longer, but just go ahead and let it finish up the download, and it should only take about 30 seconds. Alrighty, you can see it's going to take us to the final stage, and once you're on this page, basically this is the app injection process. If you've never done anything like this before, it is missing essential plugin files that it does need. Since we aren't using a computer today, it will require this, but don't worry, it is 100% free, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So once you're on this page, it's going to have different apps on this list right here. We're going to need to download 2 of them basically. So I'm going to click on it, click tap to install. It's going to give you a page with instructions. Just basically read it over. It's going to make you remember this special keyword, and then we're going to click this button right here and then click open. Once you're on this page, you will need to enter that special keyword, and this is basically just on the App Store. So once you type it in, you will see the app that it requested us to download. You just basically download it, open it for a few seconds, and boom, you are done. That's pretty much it. We're done with the first one. We can close out now and move on to the second one. And I'm going to go back to my web browser. We can close out, and we're going to do the second one now. So I'm going to go ahead and might as well do this one right here. I think I've already done this one before as well. And let's go ahead and see what it requires. Just go ahead and click open. And yep, that's all we need to do. You just need to download the Polymarket app. If it has different ones, just follow the instructions exactly as it gives you. And we are now done. So we go back to the web page now. Let's go ahead and close out of these little tabs that it opened. Go to the very bottom, and it's going to check if you have those additional plugin files. What you need to do now is go to your home screen. If you're on an Android device, you will see a pop-up saying it's trying to install it. But if you're on iOS like I am, we need to go into settings. Click on this new button at the very top that says profile downloaded. Boom. And then you're gonna it's gonna say install profile basically. So we need to click the install button. It's gonna ask you for your passcode if you have a passcode enabled. Let's go ahead and enter that right now. And then all we need to do is hit install right there. Hit install again, and we can close out. Now that is what we've been trying to install right there, Sims FreePlay. This is the modded version. Once you guys have it, you can go ahead and enable whatever features you want. I'm not going to be showing gameplay of that today, but if you guys want to see some gameplay in the future, be sure to subscribe. And until next time, see ya.